Hi, this is Ramraj. Welcome to Today Learning. Today we're going to learn about Selenium WebDriver, how to initialize WebDriver, then launch a web page, then finally close the Chrome WebDriver. So we're going to launch that uh, Eclipse Studio here. So I'm already written the some code here. System.setProperty. It means that a key value pair. Uh, I'm given that key value. It's a Chrome WebDriver. You can give that Firefox or IE driver. We can give that. So then value I'm given that where is the WebDriver it's located. So I'm given that same folder I'm given here. Then we going to navigating that web pages amazon.in like I'm given that. So after launching web page, I'm going to maximize the web browser. So I'm given that 2x path based on that ID. So I'm giving that search keyword. It's like a Java. Then I'm clicking that submit button. So I'm validating that asset.draw. I'm given that. So test case will be passed here. So I'm finally going to close that WebDriver. So let's start that launch the website. So just I'm going to run as Java web application. So it is starting that WebDriver. So Chrome is starting that. Then it will load that web pages summation. Then it's going to maximize the top pages. So after loading, it is maximized. Then 3 seconds. Java, I'm searching that keyword. It will be closed that WebDriver finally. Yeah, yeah. So our test case has been passed. Thank you.